back. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for clicking and stopping by. So guys, today we are flushing, we are detoxing fat, we are melting away fat, and at the same time we are cleaning our liver. So guys, for this recipe we need anti-shock. I know that majority of us does not know about those fruit or vegetable. I know that this is the season and it is super cheap, and every time, if you know me, anytime it is the season of a particular fruit or vegetable, I take advantage of it. So guys, anti-shock improves liver health, rich in antioxidants, excellent for immune system. It nourishes your digestive system. It helps you lower cholesterol. It promotes weight loss. It prevents anemia. It lowers blood pressure. It is excellent for bone and joint health. It reduces the risk of developing cancer. So guys, this particular one you are seeing right now, I bought it to dry. Like I said, this is the season, and this is the season. It is super cheap and is everywhere, and very soon you will no longer find them in the shop. So what I do is I buy things like this, I go ahead and dry them. The sun is getting very hot here in Germany, so I dry them and store them in a very cool place so that I could use it in the future. So guys, to prepare your drink, like I will always say, you need your apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not only good when you consume it. Apple cider vinegar could also be used to wash your fruit and vegetable before blending them. Anytime you want to take anything raw, you want to blend mango, you want to blend apple, you want to blend spinach, you want to blend any type of fruit and vegetable, as far as that fruit is not being cooked, will not be cooked, guys, you need an apple cider vinegar to wash. So guys, I have washed this already off camera, but I just want to demonstrate to you guys how to wash your proper vegetable, especially this anti-shock. So what you need is just a cup of apple cider vinegar added in a clean water, and you will need to soak this at least for 5 to 10 minutes before washing it out. So after washing it, like taking it one after the other, going into it thoroughly, okay, wash it thoroughly. You can see, even though I have washed it severally before I demonstrated it, you can still see some of the particles, some of the dry part of the anti-shock that is still in the water. So guys, after washing this, you need clean water to rinse it out. So you transfer it to another bowl, add a clean water and rinse it out. Guys, take time, take it one after the other, because this looks like pineapple, part of that head part of the pineapple, and dead animals that could hurt you when you eat them fresh could be hiding somewhere there. So please make sure that you take your time to wash this properly. Wash as many times as possible. Put it inside the sieve and wash and wash. Add a lot of water. If I was not making this video, I'll probably have a bigger bowl placed in the sink, and then I'll run water severally after soaking it, after bringing it out from my apple cider vinegar. So guys, after this anti-shock, I must warn you, if your blender is not strong, do not blend this vegetable. This vegetable is super strong, is very strong. So if your blender is not strong, do not blend, because your blender will stop working. So, but once you have a very strong blender, no matter how big or no matter how strong that blender is, you still need to chop these fruits in a very tiny pieces. Okay guys, do not use juicer to juice anti-shock. It is not going to work. I have tried this severally. It does not work. The best thing to do is to chop it the way I am going to chop it here, and then you blend it with your strong blender. If you look at the knife closely, you will see how strong actually this vegetable is. So guys, the reason why I am making this video and I am giving you all the detail is because anti-shock is very healthy, and this is the season. Everything It's fresh, everything. You can get the best of it this time around. So make use of it. Go into the shop, pick some for yourself. You can also check out some of the recipes on the internet, how you can also cook, fry, roast those vegetable to enjoy the benefit. But as a person, I love fresh vegetables. I feel that when you cook vegetables and fruits, there is this part of the nutrient that would have gone out of cooking it, like the water would have gotten dry, or kind of, I don't know if this is correct, but I just prefer to consume my vegetables very fresh, very fresh. So guys, add this into your blender. Once you add into your blender, you set it outside, and the next thing that we're going to be using is cucumber. Guys, you know how much I love cucumber. Cucumber have 95% water. Guys, cucumber is something that you should eat every day. It aids digestion, it flushes out toxins, reduces cholesterol, regulates body temperature, promotes hair growth, regulate body alkaline, promote joint health, relieve sunburns, soothe muscle pain, heals diseased gums, build connection tissues, regulate blood pressure. It is rich in vitamin A, B1, B6, C, and D, folate, and calcium. We have also magnesium and potassium in cucumber. Guys, it is one fruit that you cannot miss. So the next one is our green apple. I love green apple. Green apples are not sweet. They are not sweet. They are very sour, but they are the best apple to consume because they have amazing health benefits. Some of them is that it keeps the doctors away from you. It maintains a healthy heart. So green apple is good for your heart. It relieves constipation. Okay guys, it reduces cholesterol, it helps remove toxins from your body, it helps control weight, it decreases the risk of diabetes and protect you from cancer. Okay guys, after blending it, this is what you get. And then guys, after blending it with a lot of water, look at the way it is looking. Guys, I'm going to go ahead now and add hot water, not warm water, hot water, because I want to be able to get all of the nutrients. I want to get it out. So I'm going to add warm water, and after adding the hot water, I will leave it for at least 5 minutes for it to cook a bit before I filter it. Okay guys, I know that a lot of us say, oh, why did you have to filter it? You can consume the fiber and all that. Yes, because I drink a lot of smoothie, I blend a lot, I do not lack fiber. But what I do is, I know there's a lot of nutrients still stocked in this fiber, so I don't throw this away. And secondly, in Germany, we have what we call mule, like dirty mule, but bio, biological ones, so that they can still use this for manure. But what I do most of the time is that I boil it as tea and put my green tea inside, or I use it to make zobo and drink. So guys, after this, you can decide to use it to make tea, you can decide to throw it into your garden, it will not still be wasted. So make sure you get all this out. Please do not swallow anti-shock when you do it this way, when you blend it fresh. I believe it is too strong, it might not digest well, so it will not be good to consume it just like this. So guys, this is the drink, and you just go ahead, make it warm. If it's not warm enough, drink it warm. And you can also store this at least for 1 week and take it to work, take it to school, and enjoy it. You can turn it to cubes also, store it inside the freezer and use it as cube. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you loved this video. If you did, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and see you in my next video. Bye.